Nike Training Club Premium App. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about the Nike Training Club app is that it gives away what many other fitness brands charge for world-class training, completely free. But is it really as good as everyone says? Let's find out by looking at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. Nike Training Club offers an incredible library of workouts designed by top trainers and athletes. From strength and height to yoga and mobility sessions, it has something for every level. The design is sleek, intuitive, and motivational, everything you'd expect from Nike. The premium content, which was once behind a paywall, now comes free for everyone. That means access to multi-week training plans, nutrition tips, and guided programs that help you stay consistent. The app also syncs with Apple Health and Google Fit, making progress tracking seamless. Now, let's look at the cons. While the workouts are excellent, the app doesn't include live classes for much community engagement. Some users may find a video production less cinematic compared to apps like Elo Moves. And though there are structured plans, the customization options are limited if you have very specific fitness goals. In conclusion, the Nike Training Club app delivers professional-level fitness for free and unbeatable value. It's ideal for self-motivated users who prefer flexible, high-quality workouts without the monthly subscription cost. If you're looking for premium training without breaking the bank, this app is a clear winner.